So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add reflection to an image here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, first thing I'm going to do here is just make it a little bit smaller so you can see the reflection a little bit easier. Press on your photo, then go to the right hand side of your screen. Then go down to where it says reflection just like this. Make sure that that reflection button is checked. Now as you can tell, it's only reflected a little bit. If you want to reflect it a little bit more, you can do that. Now the only downside with this is it doesn't reflect completely. You can also change the opacity as well. I'll work around this if you want the same image kind of reflected. What I would do is the following. So I would go ahead and do this just like this. I will then go ahead and press copy and paste and get an exact replica of the image. Make sure that this image is selected. Go to where it says arrange just like here. Then go to where it says flip just like this and make sure that flipping vertically is selected. So once you're here, you can actually go ahead and grab both images, make them go back to back. Now all of a sudden, the image is completely reflected. So there's two ways to go about it, but that is how you guys can add reflection to an image here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.